This is the damage to Susan and David Clark's house from the earthquake in Louisa. The wall, the chimney, and this whole wall is pulling away from the house. There's a crack that goes down the foundation of it. You can see it. A whole lot of people came today to unpack everything from the house and put it in the barn. They've taken everything out, and the main wall holding up the house is right here. It's bulging, and there's a huge, as you can see, crack going down the middle of it. The house has been declared totally damaged. They'll have to rebuild it. This wall also, as you can see, is bulging out, and they still get tremors here. And this is where it's coming forward. A bunch of wonderful people came today and packed up everything and moved it all out to a barn that they have. This crack here goes all the way around, and they have one outside in the foundation of the house. Let's see.